Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla. It's been a little while. I've gone on vacation and a lot of other exciting stuff have popped up in my life recently, but I'm very happy to be back on YouTube. And today I want to talk about Kaizen. Now, if you've never heard of Kaizen, it is the Japanese theory of continual improvement. And people might traditionally know it as like a work management kind of theory. A lot of big Japanese companies like Toyota use it to like improve their workflow, improve employee morale, etc. But I want to talk more about it today as far as a personal motivation theory. So when you break down Kaizen from Japanese to English, Kai basically stands for change and Zen means good, so it's change for the good. Every day we should be striving for continual improvement of some kind. Personal, fitness goals that you might have, dieting goals, building better relationships in your personal life, business life, etc. We can use Kaizen in a variety of ways. And it's been something that I've been keeping to the forefront of my mind recently, and it's really made great changes. So I wanted to share it to my subscribers here on YouTube and whoever clicks on this video. We almost have 250 subscribers on this channel. Yay! So thank you guys so much. So for example, my 82-year-old grandfather has Parkinson's disease. He's had Parkinson's disease for at least 15 years now. And sometimes it's very hard to keep motivation to continue his fitness goals, to help the longevity of his life. And he said something to me this morning that, on my walk today, I made it one house further down the road. That is practicing Kaizen. Even if you're just getting one house further down the road and back on a walk, that's continual improvement. If you ran 1 mile yesterday, strive to run 1.1 miles today. I just think it's such a brilliant way to think, and I wish more people would think like this, because a lot of times we downplay the small changes and the small achievements that we have in our life, and downplay it, saying it's not good enough, it's not high enough, it's not fast enough. And that's so not true, because think of it this way. Instead of if you're not working on yourself and getting a little bit further each day, and you're just doing the same amount instead, you're actually getting weaker. You're not going anywhere more. So continuously strive for more. You don't have to run 1 mile today and run 2 miles tomorrow. Just focus on 1 mile today, 1.1 miles tomorrow. Because after that 1.1 miles the next day, guess what? You could go 1.2 miles the day after that. So don't downplay your small continual improvements. If your goal is to make one more business contact per day, it's achievable. Always make achievable goals instead of saying, tomorrow I want to make 100 new business connections, because guess what? Maybe the top 0.01% of people can jump from one business connection to 100 business connections the next day. They're already at the top, and it's possible for them. If you're already at the top and you're getting 99 new business connections a day, guess what? Getting that 100 new business connections the next day isn't that difficult for you. But for the people who are at 0 business connections a day, 1 business connections per day, getting 1 or 2 new business connections each day is huge. We all have to have our own individual goals that mean something for ourselves. We do not make goals for other people. We make goals for ourselves and for the changes for the good that we want to see in our life. As long as we strive for those positive changes and continue to improve every single day, a week from now, a month from now, a year from now, a complete transformation will happen. So don't put yourself down for not seeing huge transformations from day to day, because it's just not how it works in any setting, whether it's fitness, personal things that you have with yourself, or in a business setting. During my years as a personal trainer, it was very hard seeing people not happy with themselves day to day and putting themselves down because they didn't lose 20 pounds in a week, because that's just not how it works. We all have to respect ourselves and respect the process and respect positive thinking to get to where we want to be, because as long as you keep working, as long as you keep striving, you will get to where you want to be. Just do not give up, stay strong. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you like my content, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. So if you want to see more of this, be sure to find out my social details down below. And I'll see you in another one of my videos. So have a great day and bye.